Hello everyone, check out this ginormous box. I'm going to share with you how to put it together. Oh my gosh, it's massive. And it actually doesn't take that much cardstock. I figured it all out. So this example is using the Rain or Shine Specialty Designer Series paper. It's super cute with a whole lot of little images and yeah, you can cut stuff out. I didn't use the raindrop paper, but I used the back side of it because I love this. But I'm going to use a different colorway today. Okay, for this project, we are going to need 2 pieces of paper. This is cardstock, mint macaroon. This one, size 7 by 7.5. And this one, 6 by 11. So we'll start with this side. We'll start with this side. So on the long side, which is the 7.5 inch side, we are going to score at 3/4 of an inch, 3 3/4, and 6 3/4. We're going to turn it round and we're going to score at 1 and 6. Setting that aside, we're going to grab this piece of cardstock. On the long side, we are going to score it at 3 and 8. Turning it round, we're going to score at 3. And then what I'm going to do here is just to help me in the cutting, I'm going to score at 2 to the 3-inch score line. And I'm going to score at 9 right up to this score line. It's just going to help me in the future. Okay, we're going to fold and burnish all the score lines except those little ones that we made. All right, and this one. I'm going to cut down on the long side here. And then where we had that little score line, I'm going to cut that. So it just makes it a little easier. I'm even going to wedge that out. I'm going to do the exact same thing with the other side. All right, for this piece, we have a full inch on this side and a full inch on this side, 3/4 of an inch on this side, 3/4 of an inch on this side. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a whole bunch of wedging. So we're going to wedge and then wedge. We're going to wedge and wedge and wedge on that score line and on this score line. Okay, and we're going to do it on all of the score lines. And then I'll lay it flat so that you can take a screenshot if you wish, so you can see what it all looks like. With my adhesive of choice, I'm going to choose one of the sides. And then I'm going to it's going to go this way. So I'm going to bring this side up to that free edge, and I'm going to make sure that everything is even, just like that. All right, I'm going to put adhesive on these 4 tabs here. So I like to go really close to that scored edge and then a little bit on the free edge. Let's put the paper on first, shall we? How's that? How's that for a unique thing? I always put the box together, but let's do this. So you need 3 pieces of designer series paper. This just happens to be, what's it called? By the Bay 6x6. It's my favorite paper out of the mini catalog. So you need a piece that is 2 3/4 by 4 3/4. This one is for the lid. It's special. And then I'm going to require 2 more pieces, same size, but a different colorway. I'm going to skip this one because that's the bottom of the box. And then I have 2 pieces that are 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. And I think I will put the dark piece at the bottom. All right, kiddos, let's put this baby together. I'm going to take these pieces up to meet so it's so big that I don't have a lot of room. So I'm going to take this scored piece and I'm going to bring it up to that free edge. There you go. If you wanted to, you could place some more cardstock in at the bottom to make it a little bit less flimsy. And the reason why we angled these is that so that it goes in. Do you see how nicely that goes in? If it was straight, it wouldn't go in as nicely. All right. And then with the lip on the outside, I'm able to put some of that designer series paper that I used for the design on the front. Now I put a little glue dot here to help catch so that it sticks closed, and I think I'll do the same on this side. But that's pretty much, whoopsie. So I'm just going to ball it up, kind of stick it on the very end here, just get it in there, and then zoink, hopefully it stays closed. This box is big enough to, I mean, seriously, what is it? It is 5 inches by 3, and it's big enough to hold tea bags, a large present, even a mini like banana loaf or something like that, muffins, baked goods. I'm hungry. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.